This is the Champion RK-41C-100. Now this is the anti-siphon cap for the atmospheric vacuum breakers and anti-siphon valves. Now the 41C-100 is the 1 inch, as you can see kind of embroidered there at the top. Now I don't know if the camera will catch it, but it'll also show max pressure, which is 150 psi, and then the max temperature rating, which is right at 115 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, going ahead and getting a couple dimensions of the part. We're going to get an outer diameter across the top. That's going to be right at about 2 1/4 inches, maybe just a little above. And then flipping to the bottom side. Now, the cap will come with this red fiber O-ring or gasket. Then it comes down to those large male threads. So starting with an outer diameter at the threads, it's going to be right at 1 1/4 inches. And then inner diameter at the threads, it's going to be right at 1 inch. And once again, this is the Champion RK-41C-100 anti-siphon cap and gasket for the 1 inch atmospheric vacuum breakers.